Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Paperlike e-ink monitor, the Mac edition. When you first set it up, just go to the official website's download center. If you're using a Mac, download the Mac V2 Civo client. After downloading, your Mac might give you a security warning saying the client can't be opened. Don't worry, just go to System Settings, select Privacy and Security on the left, and you'll see that your computer has blocked the Paperlike client. Simply click Allow Installation and you'll be able to install it normally. Once the client is installed and running, your monitor should display your computer screen properly. For first-time setup, there are some special Mac settings we should adjust for optimal display. First, click the Apple logo and choose Display Settings. Under the Display tab, you can switch between mirror and extended display modes. By default, it's set to Extended, which means it acts as an additional screen extending your main display. You can also drag to swap the monitor positions if needed. Next, let's adjust the resolution. This also affects your system text size. Make sure you're adjusting the settings for the Paperlike monitor. Try 1440 by 900 resolution. You'll notice the text becomes larger and more readable. Another useful tip is to set your wallpaper to pure white. This helps reduce ghosting. Just go to Wallpaper Settings and choose a solid white color. For your mouse pointer, you can adjust its size and mouse settings to whatever feels comfortable. One final important reminder, be sure to turn off night shift and any third-party eye protection software.